Good morning, girl. How you been? All right, well, let's get you going.
What is up, y'all, and welcome to the channel. In the last episode, we filled in the shock towers, we put in some metal in the valence, and we shaved a firewall. It's something I've always wanted to do. Really happy with the way it came out and super excited for the next part. We're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna install some caster and camber plates and get this thing ready for the road. Let's jump into it. All right, what we have here, y'all, is a caster camber kit for a 2004 Mustang from Maximum Motorsports, and I will put the link in the description of this video. But so as you saw, I had to remove these spot welds from the original. These are 1.25 inches. I needed about a 1/4 inch more for this to work in the classic Mustang. So I took these out and got some 1.5 inch 3/8 bolts and welded them on there. But what I'm planning on doing, guys, is there is a 1/4 inch spacer between this as it sits on top of the shock tower like that. There's a 1/4 inch spacer here that, get one out, that will sit underneath like this. What I'm planning on doing, and thanks to great resource, Richard Roth on the Facebook group, he found this mod and I'm in love with it. Yeah, so instead of using that 1/4 inch, we're going to use something else. Let me show you what that is. All right, guys, we got this kit here from Total Control Products, and what it is basically is an export brace. Okay, so we got some parts here that look really good. So what I like about this kit is that it's got these cylinders that have lots of adjustments on them. And these plates and everything fit up to the cowl section of your car, so stock. So you really don't have to do any mods to those pieces. What I'm interested in is this piece here. And it is a 1/4 inch, just like this. So let me move some space out of here so you can show you guys. So this is what I'm planning on doing. Pretend this is the shock tower. We're going to place this directly on the shock tower. Now obviously it has the old 3-bolt pattern. Now we have a 4-bolt setup. So we're going to basically need to find our holes again, and I'm going to punch 2 more holes, maybe more. I don't know exactly how these are going to sit up in there, but I'm going to see how that sits in there, and I'm going to drill holes in this plate, and that is going to be my spacer. It's going to work for this. It's just going to, okay? It's going to work. No, this is going to be sitting like that. And now not only did it replace the spacer for me, but it also creates a place where I can use this cylinder to tie in to the cowl and just start triangulating everything. Since I cut some of the shock tower up, it is important to reinforce that. And so this is an important part, is triangulating your entire suspension. So that's the plan, guys. Let's go see if we can make it happen. All right, y'all. So what I've got here is I'm going to close up these 3 holes that would have originally come for the shock assembly, I guess is what you call it. Anyway, I am going to fill those in with these small pieces of metal. We're going to fill those in and make this entire thing completely smooth so that the goodies will fit inside it. So let's go ahead and get these suckers welded up and get going on this. All right, it's time to put it together. So here we go. We're gonna put our spacer, or what acts as our spacer, on, and then, well, should have showed you that. That's our spacer, and then this guy is our caster camber plate from Maximum Motorsports. We put our nuts on, put them on loose so we can still give us all the wiggle, fun adjustments we need. That still fits, that's a good thing. And then this guy goes on like this. All right, there it is. Love it. There's plenty of fun adjustments in here. Kind of tighten everything up. I'll hook those capture nuts up whenever it's set up, but look at that, guys. Guys, I'm super happy how this turned out. I can't wait to get in some more of it. And I want you guys to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep going, and it helps out the channel tremendously. Until next time, guys.